Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Microsoft To Do. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about To Do and you can enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. And if it's not working with you, then you can update your app on Play Store. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.